Boom, hello guys, it's Ryan B back to another video, and today I want to show you how to install the Android Nougat on the Note 5. So I just want to say that this method is not difficult to follow, but if you don't know what are you doing, don't do it because it might be dangerous for your smartphone. And anyway, you just have to check the link below and go over this page and download all these files here. Once that you download all the file, you have to turn off your smartphone. Okay, once that your smartphone is off, you have to press volume up, home button and the power button together. To enter in the recovery mode. Okay. Now the first thing that you have to do is a backup. Okay, now that your backup is done, you have to go back, and you have to install the ROM that you downloaded. So I'm going to install the Nougat, and you just have to swipe to confirm the flash. Okay, perfect. The installation is done. You have to wipe cake and Dalvin cake. Okay, now you have to go back and install Nougat opt encrypt.zip. This one. Flash. Wipe cake and Dalvin cake. Okay, now you have to turn off your smartphone and enter in download mode. You have to press home button, volume down and power button. Okay, and now you have to press the volume up. Okay, now you have to take your computer. One moment, guys. Okay, guys, you have to open Odin, that I know that is, where is, okay, here, Odin, perfect. Now you have to connect your smartphone here. As you can see over here, you have to see this logo blue and here added. Now you have to click on AP and select this pack, BL modem SM. Okay, open it and go to options here and make sure that the only checkbox are this one, auto reboot and F reset time. The other one has to be blank. Anyway, now you can start Okay, it's done. Perfect. Okay, now you have to turn off your smartphone. And enter in the recovery mode. Okay, now you have to install the Magisk here. Wipe cake and Alvin cake. And now you can reboot your system. Okay, here we are. I want to show you in settings. About device. I have some problem with the calendar. I don't know why. Software info. Android version 7.0. On the model SMN920C, that is the Note 5 number, and everything is working. Okay guys, for today is all. As you can see, it's not difficult and it's working more or less. Now I don't have the issue with the Bluetooth. That's lovely. Okay. And nothing. Thanks for watching, and if you have some problem, write a comment below. See you the next video, guys. Bye bye.